The Out of the Darkness Community Walk is a walk that is sponsored by the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. It's designed to bring family members who have lost loved ones from suicide together to walk in a together fashion and for healing and a hope. We lose 42,000 Americans every year by suicide. Suicide among first responders, police and fire is on the rise. These beads all represent different colors of people who lost a child, or people who, this silver is for first responder, but this blue bead, this is just somebody who supports the cause. And if you looked around here today, there were a lot of different people who were sporting just the blue bead. We had 24 different corporate sponsors. We had 2 restaurants, JV's in Falls Church and the 29 Diner in Fairfax City. It wasn't just the money that they donated, it was the amount of advertising that they did on their social media forums. Walks and talking about suicide as we hope to remove the stigma. Most people who suffer from mental health issues or have ideas of dying by suicide, they don't want to talk about it. It's hard for them to talk about it with their family or their friends or their coworkers. And the message that we want to put out there is that you need to talk about it. There is no shame in asking for help. There's no shame whatsoever. And we want people to know that their lives matter.